guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing doll bed for your Barbie dolls. So let's get started. Right here, as you can see, is my doll's bed, and I just threw over some pillows, and some pom-poms because they're so soft as their pillows. And I just threw over a handkerchief or any type of cloth, so I'm using a cloth, piece of fabric. So let me just take this off and show you my doll's bed. This is her bed. I didn't put any type of fabric bedding or anything, but that's your choice. You can do anything that you want to. First of all, step number one is that I needed to find a type of box or any type of box that I'm not using, or plastic, or anything that is that can be easy to form the shape of a bed. So I used a tissue box, and that was really easy because I just had to open it up, and then I had to cut it out like as a bed shape, and then I had to make the frames and stuff on the back, and the head frame and the foot frame, and then I just need to cover it up with wrapping paper or construction paper or any decorative paper that you have. You can even use origami paper. I've seen many people use like decorative paper, and some people don't have that, but they have origami paper. You can use that too. And you can just cover it up, and you can throw on some awesome and cute pillows like these. You don't need to buy them or anything from Amazon or anything. You can just, find a keychain that has a pom-pom. You can take it off. Or I had a pencil that had this amazing cute little stuffy face on top, so I just took it off, and you can seal it up at the bottom. And then you can throw over a piece of fabric, as I said, and you can tuck that under your bed. Let me just do that. And there. And there you have your own bed. It's so cheap, so easy to make. It's really, it saves you a lot of money instead of buying from Amazon and stuff. All the bed and the furniture. In my next video, if you want to watch that, because I'm gonna make a sofa. And it's gonna be super cool because it can also be used as a bed, because it's gonna be a really long sofa. I'm gonna cover it up with the same thing. I'm going to cover it up with decorative paper. I'm going to be using a big box, or you can use multiple tissue boxes that are empty, and voila, there you have it. And it's like really easy. You don't need to buy it from Amazon or anything. You can just, get your doll. You can get a tissue box. You can get your doll. She'll sleep on it. It's so easy. See, let me just show you 1 second. As you can see, it's so easy for my doll to just bend her knees and just sleep on. They're so comfy, so cozy, and so easy to make. So, yeah, but it's kind of hard for the dolls that, can't really bend their knees. I think they can just sit on it, but they can't really bend their knees because, well, they don't have that. But made-to-move Barbie dolls are perfect for this because you don't need to make a humongous bed. You can just make a small one, bend their knees and legs, and they can sleep soundly. See how easy it was? So easy, so simple, so awesome, and I totally recommend you to do this. There's many things you can make out of this. You can make you can make drawers, you can make a closet in my last video if you want to check that out. And you can make a bed, you can make a sofa, you can make many things out of this. So simple, it might be lying around your house. A tissue box, I'm pretty sure you run out of that. So you can just use that simple and easy construction paper or any decorative paper. You might want to print that out. Ask your parents first. If you don't have that, you can buy it on Michael's. You can buy it at Michael's or on Amazon, Walmart, any of these stores or websites. And then these little comfy little pillows, well, you can find these at many stores too. You can find these cute, adorable little pom-poms too, anywhere too. And these handkerchiefs, you can find them somewhere, I guess. Maybe your parents have them. Or maybe you have a piece of fabric that you're not using, and you ask your mom, you can just use that and put it over there. So simple, so easy. See, just an easy DIY bed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe, and tell me if this hack or this DIY was really helpful for you, because I'm pretty sure I recommend you guys to use it. It was really helpful for me because I didn't have to buy anything. I had everything at home. It was super easy, super simple. So yeah, I hope you like it, guys. Bye!